What is going on, everybody, and welcome back today for another episode. And no, I did not have to slap myself to get excited. It just comes that way because I want to make this video entertaining as much as possible, because I'm already not that fun of a person, so I got to be exciting, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, what we got for you today, we're getting ready to go over and we're going to catch some bees. Just got a phone call from some people that live just south of here, and they got a swarm of bees in a tree that we're gonna go get. We're gonna do this with a kind of a new way. I'm gonna be using a bucket and a pole to catch the bees, and I've already caught them, so they're already here. But my wife videoed, I don't know how much she got of it, so hopefully we got me getting them with the pole and the bucket. So you guys stick around, and I hope you all enjoy the video because we had a pretty good time catching these bees. It was kind of a show. There was a bunch of people that ended up coming and checking out what we were doing, so hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see y'all at the end of the video. They do.
Okay, girls, stay outside, okay?
You can go up there and play.
But you need to stay outside.
So they came out. Yeah, so I just left. Thanks for coming back.
Hell, looks like it's another day.
I know, it's easier, but... Okay.
Oh, it had that bucket.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want you to waste a trip once they went high again, because they were so close.
Yeah, last time I pulled my car.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
I know.
I haven't seen you in a while.
I know. It's a small world, isn't
Yeah.
it? You look good.
Thanks.
And you have 2 kids. How old are they?
5 is my oldest, and my youngest is almost 4.
They're getting ready to take off.
I have a 5-year-old granddaughter.
Oh, yeah?
He's going to take them in the bucket, and then he'll dump the bucket straight into his thing and close it off.
Oh, I'm probably gonna get closer to that.
I wasn't,
Pointing?
I don't know if I was or not. I had to tap the screen, but I might have missed it.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Stuart. If you got problems, just let us know.
I know, just take care of it. Let us know how it goes. Y'all bring all those bees here. That looked pretty easy to see how it went. Wow, I didn't see
But now you have to make sure you got the queen. How do you know?
They'll go in that box.
I don't think you...
He watches to see their behavior.
If not, they'll go back up there where they were at. Yeah, once they figure out the queen's in there.
So, oh, and there's a place for them to fly.
And she must be in there because they're swarming the front already.
My Rolodex collection dog knows. He's got the best fishing.
Must have got him.
Yeah, take some pictures.
Oh, don't sting me.
Landowner doesn't want us to. That's why when it's on your land, I don't mind, but they don't.
I don't know if Caitlin got it or not, but I got my bucket on a pole. They were right up there. I just hit it, dumped them in the hive. They look like they're going in, so we'll see. Well, it is safe to say that we got them. There's no bees up there anymore. Maybe a couple, but they have formed up right there. If they start coming out, then I'll have to redo it all again.
Okay, then don't do it.
I used to work for Dave.
Should I get back?
Would reply to my, yeah, I did.
Wait, if they start coming out, then don't do it.
Actually, I have a funny story you probably won't remember, but I moved from Washington, D.C. back to work
There's a ball on the top in the lid. Is that her? Inside that ball on the lid?
and so I show up to this
You don't think?
and she's like, got this great person from D.C. Sounding me, and we're like, yeah, not even paying attention. I'm just sitting there, and he's like, you hired the goalkeeper? And I was like, I have a name! That's what you said. You looked at Chad Smith, and he said, hired the goalkeeper. And I was like, I've done a few things in the last 10 years, Dave. All of them. So it's very funny. It's very funny. But so yeah, it's just.
Well, that was a fun time.
I'm like, hey, I heard that. Oh, it was so funny. The chief, like, everyone's like, you played soccer? I mean, it was like my two worlds collided in a way that never would have. I'm like, I was like, well, I mean, I did 2 bachelors and a master's.
You don't think it's gonna blow away, do you?
What?
The wind? You don't think the wind will knock it off? Are you sure?
Yeah, it won't blow away. It's heavy. They're cheap. Amazon's like $15 to have.
Just to walk around.
The other day I would have worn one, wouldn't I? She was so scared. I'm like, I'm kind of a fearless woman. Can you tell me where this energy's coming from? I'm like, Taylor, can you come out here? And then they moved, and I'm like, well, they're fine. It's fine. And then I saw them back here, and they started choosing not to. I had a backup keeper coming if they were.
Like you should have another
Yeah, so they were right there. Yeah.
Trying to come out.
Why?
They're not accustomed to that box yet, you know?
I don't want to get stung.
I'll use it right here. I feel like they're like all around my head. I want to walk away.
Do I still need to record?
Nah.
How do I turn it off?
Just hit the power of the record button. Alright, so this is how we caught them. We got a bucket. We just screwed it on. It's on a pull pole.
Are they having fun?
Yes, they are.
Man, is it windy. But anyways, we got the bees home, and we tried to do that at the very first of the video. But we just set them up right here. What we're gonna do, they're in there. Now, I did find the queen on the front of the hive, and let's get in here where I'm out of, let's just hide right here. So anyways, I did find the queen. She was on the front of the hive. She looks like a virgin queen, so I'm pretty sure she might have crawled out, but hopefully they stay in here and make a hive out of it. So
don't shake it. If they make a hive, don't shake it. Are they gonna make honey?
Are
they gonna make honey?
I hope they make some honey.
Well, I hope they make some honey things so we can eat them because those are good.
Yep. Well, anyways, this is the second hive that I've actually gotten from these people. They called me last year, and this is the second swarm that they've already had this year. I couldn't go get the first one, but we got this one, and stop. Yeah, that's gross. Don't touch the trash can. Anyways, we're gonna leave these set up here for a couple days. I gotta work the next 4 nights, and then after nights are over, we'll take these and move them out to my parents or to my in-laws' house, one of the two. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna keep my bees this year. But yeah, we got them, and glad you guys watched, and thanks for sticking around towards the end. If you haven't already, be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and all that good stuff. And till then, I'll keep trying to psych myself up for future videos. So try not to be a fake YouTuber. You guys have a good one.